Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. It'll be a quite short video because I decided to answer one of my comment under my video from my subscriber. Yes. So, иди отсюда. I decided to answer him comment in my video because it will be more easily than if I would write my answer. Yes, we see this comment right now, and one of my subscriber wrote that I pronounce Russian sound sh differently from Russian people. Yes, and I decided to explain you why it's so. Firstly, you should know that I recorded this video without any preparation because I just got up and I saw this comment and decided to record this video right now. Secondly, you should know that I'm from Belarus and I am native Belarusian speaker and at the same time native Russian speaker. You should know that people from Belarus like me, we pronounce some Russian sounds from Russian alphabet a little bit differently from Russian people. Like I mean Russian people pronounce this sound. Yes. For example, let me take one of Russian word. For example, щетка. Щетка. People from Belarus like me, yes, we pronounce this word like щетка, щетка, щетка. You hear that first letter sh, I pronounce more rude than people from Russia. I mean, I Belarusian and I pronounce this word like щетка. People from Russia pronounce this word like щетка, щетка, more gently, yes, щетка. Belarus, щетка, щетка, Russia, щетка, щетка. I'm not sure that you hear this difference between these pronunciations, yes, but it isn't main in your pronunciation in Russian language. Yes, probably I pronounce this sound sh differently from Russian people. Yes, but it isn't main idea, it isn't main mind if you learn Russian language. I have one truth for you. You should know and you should remember that if you're a native English speaker, of course you have your English accent. At the same time, I'm a native Russian speaker and I have my Russian accent, because if we talk about English language, I learn English language, yes. You have your English accent and you won't speak Russian language like real native Russian speaker because you have your English accent. Understand? I hope you understood me because probably I explained this topic isn't understandable probably, but I hope you understand me. At the same time, I'm also won't speak English so fluently and correctly like native English speaker, understand, because I have my Russian accent. At the same time, by the way, I also have Belarusian accent, and it's funny, I know that I have two accents, Belarusian accent and Russian accent. And you can't worry, you don't worry about your pronunciation, because if you will speak Russian and if you use Russian words correctly, native Russian speaker will understand you anyway. If you, for example, pronounce Russian word щетка or щетка, what's the difference? I know that these two pronunciation quite different, but this different is so small and so tiny that probably you can't hear this difference, yes, and it isn't main, understand? Your task just learn Russian word, Russian phrases, some Russian rules, yes, and if your task, for example, just learn Russian, speaking Russian language, yes, you should know that you won't speak Russian like real native Russian speaker. At the same time, as for me, yes, I'm also won't speak English like real native English speaker. And as for me, I don't worry about it. It's like, for example, you know that there is British accent and accent from USA. At the same time, I know that, for example, USA also has a different accent. It depends on some states from USA. Yes, I hope you understood me. At the same time, probably people from Canada have own accent, yes, and this accent probably can different from accent from USA. So just don't worry how you pronounce some Russian sound, sh or sh, understand? Let me take another word. For example, happiness. We translate this word into Russian like счастье. You hear that I pronounce this word like счастье, счастье. First letter S, yes, S and ch. We join to this letter and we pronounce these two letters like sh, and I pronounce more root, счастье, счастье. People from Russia can pronounce this word like счастье, счастье more gently, yes. But what the difference? You understand me anyway, understand? Yes, probably I pronounced this sound quite differently from Russian people, but what the difference? This difference is so small, it's so tiny that native Russian speakers, we understand each other anyway, understand? And you don't worry about your pronunciation, your Russian pronunciation so strong, so much, because firstly your task learn Russian language, learn Russian words, phrases, or some Russian rules. I said about it before, yes. And one more time, you should know that you won't speak Russian like real native Russian speaker. And at the same time, I won't speak English like real native English speaker, because you will have your English accent. I will have my Russian accent, and we don't worry about it. Okay? So if I answered this question, this comment, put like, and if you that person who wrote this comment, please write me again in comments under this video. I answered. I did answer your comment or not, please. So if you have any other questions for me, please write and comment under this video. I promise I will answer all your questions, because I want to help you learn Russian language. I know that it's rather difficult, and I know about it, but. So if I deserved, subscribe to my channel, put like, write and comment your questions, and bye bye.